Hey guys, I'm Sylly Dessy and welcome to the first episode of DIY with Sylly Dessy.
So guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a natural face tuna just with the use of this bitter leaf. So don't skip the video, just stay tuned and watch how I make this face tuna with bitter leaf. So we are here guys. So first of all, first step is to pluck your bitter leaf. Ensure you pluck your bitter leaf very well. Just pluck them, just get the quantity you really need for the face tuna. If you need a large quantity of face tuna, you have to get plenty of the bitter leaf, but if you need a little, just get a little bitter leaf. Pluck your bitter leaf, then cut them into smaller parts just with your hands. Sure you cut it very well. Okay, this is me cutting my bitter leaf with my hands. I want to start bringing out the juice. I want to start squeezing it for the juice to come out. So you have to scrub your bitter leaf very well for the juice to come out. Just as the way most of us cook our bitter leaf soup, the way we wash our bitter leaf, this is how bitter leaf face tuna is done. Just scrub your bitter leaf gently for the juice to come out. This is me bringing out the juice from my bitter leaf. You can see the juice is coming out little by little. It's just easy. It's an easy task. It's not a hard thing. Just follow the step. So this is me after I finish bringing out the juice. I add the quantity of water I need just to bring out the more water for my face tuna. So now stir it into another bowl because we only need the water. We don't actually need the leaf, just the water we need. So you have to stir it very well. Make sure no one is remaining apart from the water. This is me trying to extract the water out from the bitter leaf. So I'm done extracting the water. Now pour it into my spray bottle. Our bitter leaf tuna is ready. This is how the thing looks like. And when you're done, just spray it on your face and leave it for some time. You see the results. Just try this. You see the results. It works very fine. Just spray it on your face. Even if you don't have a spray bottle, you can use your hand and touch it and rub on your face. Allow it to dry.
Guys, thank you for watching that video. If you want more DIY video like this, don't forget to subscribe and follow. And please don't forget to try that DIY bitter leaf soon at home. Thank you.